In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a leak in your shower. So I set this tripod up and attached the shower head. The reason I did that is so I can hold the shower head in a fixed location. The benefit of using a tripod and attaching the shower head is that you can point the shower head fairly low and keep moving it up until you work out where the leak is coming from. So I think in my case the leak's coming from here. So we can point our shower head there, turn the water on, and all we need to do is go downstairs and check to see if there's a leak coming from our ceiling. So you'll need to remove your plasterboard in order to do this, which I've already done. As you can see, with the leak coming through here, so I've removed my plasterboard in order to see where the leak is coming from. You can clearly see the water dripping through this gap in the floorboards. And you can see it's leaking through that hole onto that cloth. Then all we need to do is go back upstairs, turn the shower off, and we know that our shower is leaking somewhere around here. Once you've found where the leak's located, use some silicone to stop the leak. Thanks for watching.